Give your staff the fastest way to join your PD-able system. A Rapid Onboard link skips the standard sign-up steps, helping staff get into the correct organization straight away without having to configure their own settings. First, make sure you're using the correct profile. In this example, I'm using an employer profile. To check, click your avatar, scroll down to Switch Profile, and select Employer. Now click your avatar again and select Promote. The first step is to configure the profession and industry that will be applied to your staff during sign-up. This saves them from having to make these choices themselves and helps ensure everyone starts with the correct settings. They can always change these later if needed. Next, configure your organization's email domain. PD-able recognizes staff signing up with your work email address and automatically connects them to your organization. You can also add individual email addresses if required, but I'll skip that for this example since all of my staff use their work email addresses. Once everything is configured, click Make Active. This generates your Rapid Onboard link. That's it. Simply copy the link and share it with your staff. They'll be taken directly into your organization's PD system with a much faster and simpler onboarding experience. Thanks for watching.